So here is four main principles for the Royal Central Park. First of all, the idea of all-in-one is mean that in the area we will have all of the amenity. All of amenity is mean that if you need a convenience store, if you have want to do doing the exercise, you want to walk around, actually everything can be approaching from the 500 meter to 800 meter. Second one, we are really thinking about the open space and the internal transportation walking. So it means that if you are living in here, this area will be priority for the walking, for the cyclists, and for the people who using the light electric scooter. So it means that not like the only one building next to the road. When you go outside of the apartment, it will be safe. The third one we have here is actually we will have we call it the multi-center residential area. It means that in the group of the apartment, you will have everything in the podium. At the same time, we will have some big communication area and green space on the photo. This one will be rear in Royal Central Park. The first one, our principle. Actually, I want to say about the big lake in the middle of the project. The main concept idea of the design for the project is the water. Because the water is the start of the life. And I believe that the water is the most important for the Central Asia. So you can imagine that you will live next to the lake. And then this area, we will use a green material. And then we will plant a lot of trees around the lake. So all of these four principles will give your life better. When you buy the house, you are not buy the living place or sleeping place. Actually, you buy everything for your life.